In this video, I'm going to walk you through a quick tutorial on how I use Perplexity AI to research the background and funding of the Wispr Flow dictation app. Perplexity provides a comprehensive AI overview showing that Wispr Flow is a sophisticated voice-to-text tool that has successfully raised over $81 million in funding. These results highlight the company's evolution from a wearable tech startup to a leading AI software provider backed by top-tier venture capital firms. By analyzing these search results, I can see that their mission focuses on reducing screen time and making digital communication feel more natural through advanced voice dictation. I start by reviewing the general summary of Wispr AI, noting that it was founded in San Francisco by Tanay Kothari and Sahaj Garg. As I scroll down the page, I'm looking closely at the key investors and supporters who have fueled their growth. I can see that Menlo Ventures led a significant $30 million series a round, and I also notice prominent names like Notable Capital and NEA on the list. It's impressive to see individual contributors like the co-founder of Pinterest and the CEO of Carta involved as well. As I continue to scroll, I'm reading about the company's pivot from a non-invasive wearable device to the current Flow software interface for Mac, Windows, and iOS. Now, I move further down the search results to see the latest media coverage, specifically this TechCrunch article detailing their recent $30 million raise. To find more specific details, I move my cursor to the People Also Ask section. I click the drop-down menu for the question regarding who invested in Wispr Flow to get a more detailed look. This expanded view gives me a concise summary of their mission to improve human-computer interaction and confirms the involvement of firms like BVC and FlightFund. It's a very efficient way to gather all the essential data about the company's financial health and product trajectory in one place. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.